So, Dental Beam 1 is basically marketed as an at-home dental device designed to make taking care of your teeth easier and improve things like cleanliness, plaque, and overall oral health. But there are a few things the marketing may not emphasize. The biggest thing is that a device like this shouldn't automatically replace normal brushing, flossing, and professional dental care. Even if it helps with cleaning, that doesn't mean it can fix cavities, gum disease, or other underlying dental problems. I'd also be careful with dramatic whitening or plaque removal claims. Results can vary depending on your teeth and how you use the device, and marketing photos don't always represent what the average customer will experience. So, is Dental Beam 1 worth buying? It could be useful as an additional oral care tool, but I wouldn't expect it to completely transform your dental health. Check how it actually works, the available evidence, independent reviews, and the return policy before buying. Overall, I'd treat it as a supplement to good dental hygiene rather than a replacement for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.